The National Prosecuting Authority has again been sent back to the drawing board in its fraud pursuit of state capture cases. It comes after the Middelburg Specialised Commercial Crimes Court dropped a corruption case involving the former Eskom CEO and 18 others. Newzroom Afrika's Tondani Takalani has that story.
The National Prosecuting Authority is again under scrutiny, facing demands for meaningful progress on state capture and corruption-related cases. But just hours after briefing Parliament's Portfolio Committee on Justice and Correctional Services, the agency suffered yet another setback. The Middelburg Specialized Commercial Crimes Court struck the case against former Eskom CEO Matshela Koko and 18 others off the roll. The court expressed concern over what it called unreasonable delays in the case, which relates to 2.2 billion rand worth of contracts allegedly awarded to companies linked to Koko's friends and family.
There are certain documentation that we still needed to get, some reports which had already been started by experts, including the Bauman report, had been done, however needed to be proofread before we finalize the matter or take the matter to trial. We also indicated to court that most of the groundwork had been done. There were some investigations abroad that we also needed to finalize in terms of witness statements.
It's the second state capture case to stall, but officials say they won't give up.
This is not an acquittal. This is a removal from the roll, meaning we can still re-enroll this matter after getting the requisite authorization.
Back in April, the NPA's first state capture case to proceed to trial ended in an acquittal of all the 8 accused. The court criticized the NPA for prosecuting the poorly investigated 25 million rand Nulani Investments case. During its latest briefing to Parliament, the NPA defended itself from criticism over its competency.
The narrative that the NPA is doing nothing is both wrong and dangerous. The prosecution of high-profile government and private sector actors is taking place. A lot of work is being done through our various investigating agencies, and we submit that impunity no longer prevails.
Amid growing frustrations over delayed prosecutions, officials say they're faced with several challenges.
State capture, corruption of the scale took place over a protracted amount of years. So in order to then investigate and unravel that and bring cases to court is taking time because law enforcement was not spared from the hollowing and the corruption that took place. So where we currently stand as the investigating directorate with secondments from law enforcement, basically the law enforcement in its totality, is everyone is pulling their weight. We're doing as much as we possibly can.
For Newzroom Afrika, Channel 405, I am Tondani Takalani.